Building a modern app without Terraform is like trying to build a 100-story skyscraper by manually stacking bricks with your bare hands. You click around the AWS console to set up a server, move over to Azure for a database, and click 100 more buttons for security. One tiny mistake, one wrong click, and you accidentally delete your entire company's infrastructure. But what if you could write down what you want on a piece of paper and a digital wizard built the entire thing for you instantly? Welcome to Terraform in 100 seconds. Terraform is the ultimate tool for infrastructure as code. Think of it like a magical architectural blueprint. Instead of manually hiring construction workers and placing every brick yourself, you just write down the final destination. I want 3 virtual machines, a secure database, and a fast network. You don't tell the cloud how to build it, you just state what you want, and Terraform handles the heavy lifting. It works using 3 simple superpower commands. First, Terraform Init. This downloads the tools for whatever cloud you're using, like AWS or Google Cloud. Second, Terraform Plan. This is a life-saving preview window. It shows you exactly what it is about to build before it touches anything, so you never accidentally cause a disaster. Finally, Terraform Apply. You hit Enter and boom, your entire data center spawns in the cloud in under a minute. But the coolest part, how does it remember what it built? It uses a secret weapon called a state file. This is a live digital map of your actual infrastructure. If a human manually goes into the AWS console and accidentally changes a setting, Terraform checks the map, spots the error, and automatically overrides it to fix it back to perfection. It is the ultimate insurance policy for your cloud. Master Terraform, and you can deploy massive global networks with a single keystroke. Like and subscribe to become an elite DevOps engineer.